Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to iPhone home button on screen. Assistive Touch is an accessibility feature that lets you create a virtual home button and then set what a tap, double tap, or long press does. On your device, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Accessibility. Now, select Touch, and then Assistive Touch. Now, turn on the Assistive Touch option. A Well Virtual Home button appears on the screen. If you want to change where it's placed on the screen, lightly press down on the button and move it to another location. You can place it anywhere at the top or bottom of your screen, or down the center. The button will automatically jump to the right or left slide so as not to obstruct your view. You can change the opacity of your home button to make it lighter or darker. On the Assistive Touch settings screen, tap Idle Opacity and drag the slider to make the button darker or lighter. Once you settle on a location for the home button, you can fine-tune how it works. By default, tapping the button once displays Assistive Touch menu, similar to the back tap feature. You can change this action and also set up an associated action for a double tap and long press. From the Assistive Touch menu, tap the single tap, double tap, or long press option. The next screen presents a variety of options organized into specific category system: accessibility, scroll gestures, dual controls, and shortcuts. Choose a specific feature to assign to a button action, such as Home, Siri, or Apple Pay. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.